For pretty much every single viral moment on the internet, you can make hundreds, even thousands of dollars just by trading meme coins that are associated with these moments. Meme coins pretty much signify mindshare and virality. So in this video today, I want to talk about how you can spot these early opportunities before they explode. And I'm talking 10, 20, 30, even 100x opportunities just based on catching these viral moments early and then capturing the returns in the form of meme coins. Now, let me actually show you the results that I'm talking about. So this is one of the most recent memes that went incredibly viral on the internet. It's called Chicken Jockey.
When Jack Black's character Steve says the words chicken jockey, fans of the movie go crazy.
When the chicken jockey scene came on, that's when everything just broke loose.
I made 112 sol on it, roughly $12,000. Here's me scanning this coin early on, 3 days before it even exploded at $150,000 market cap. And here's me just talking about it. I'm saying people loving the Minecraft movie. I'm trying to find the best ticker because somebody might launch a new one, but I'm going to be buying everything Minecraft related. If you had this mindset and if you were able to maybe find this opportunity early like I was, you could have made tens of thousands of dollars early, and I actually missed out on a lot of gains if you actually look at the chart. And I just want to walk you through this mindset. And here's a couple more plays. Got Penguin Tariff before it exploded. It's another kind of viral moment. Here's me scanning it, sending it to some friends, kind of explaining the thesis behind it as well. $157,000 market cap. It went all the way up to $5.2 million market cap. Let's go to another one that I'm sure you all have probably heard of or seen. This is the morning routine meme. This guy went incredibly viral everywhere. Here's a screenshot of me scanning the coin in the chat. $500,000 scan, all the way up to $18 million market cap. That's already a 30, 40x just like that. As you can see, I was one of the first people to actually buy in and accumulate early, and I actually messed up some of the trades, but I still came out good chunk of profit. And just one more, this one went viral on crypto Twitter. This was a verification token. I actually recorded about it in the last video I made, but I had a $70,000 market cap entry on this, which is pretty much all the way down here. Sold some on the first run up, missed out on a lot of gains, and it went all the way to $6 million market cap. Opportunities like this, results like this that you can capture, and it's all about finding them early before other people do. Now, how are you going to spot these opportunities early before they explode and catch mindshare and virality? 90% of the time when you're trading or looking for new memes and opportunities, you're going to be sitting on this Pulse tab on Axiom Pro. Now, Axiom Pro still is private, so I'm going to leave a link down below where you can sign up and get 20% off trading fees. The cool thing about Axiom is you can have a Twitter monitor built in. I've added a bunch of accounts here that can give me early alpha and information on virality. I'll go through these accounts maybe in a different video. If you want to see them, just leave a comment down below. The really cool thing about Axiom Pro that most of these other trading platforms don't offer or don't do as well as Axiom is the Twitter terminal built into the trading terminal. So I can have this Twitter tracker popped up right here side by side while I'm trading. And if something cool that I think maybe can explode 10, 20, 100x from here pops up, I can cross-reference it with Twitter to see if accounts are posting about it. Or I can just hover over tweets right here and I can kind of get a glimpse of what is going on and if this potentially is a viral moment, a viral meme, or something that can take off. A bunch of memes and viral moments are going to slip through the cracks and maybe nobody has created a token for them, or the token was created a few hours or days ago that it's not going to pop up on the Pulse tab. So the second best resource and method of finding stuff early is Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. Most people spot opportunities on TikTok and Twitter because that's where most viral memes and moments pop up as of late, and especially in 2025. Now, I spotted Chicken Jockey very early on TikTok and Twitter. So from there, I went on TikTok to cross-reference how many views it was getting, the people that were posting about it. And as you can see, I actually posted about it on my Twitter account on April 6th, 2-3 days before it even exploded. April 6th, if you look at the chart, is right here. I was buying as I was tweeting about this token. Not many people were tweeting about it. I was one of the first to actually talk about it publicly on the timeline. You can see where there's B's here, that's when I'm buying. And it had a pretty nice run up here to about 2 million market cap, but I thought that it was definitely not tapped to the liking that I wanted. So I was buying a bunch here April 5th, April 6th, then I bought a bunch here again. The moment itself, like, people are going crazy for this moment and for this movie, that it's an incredibly viral, unique concept that we've never seen before. Maybe in the last 5 or 6 years, we've never seen people go this crazy for a movie to the point where police are getting involved, people are getting kicked out. Now, when you see something like this, incredibly viral, something in your mind should tick, should tell you this is unique, this is cool. People on crypto or people in the meme coin space probably have not caught on yet. The second step from here is cross-reference. Let's go on Google. I just searched chicken jockey. Let's search it again. The first thing that pops up, there's articles being written about it every single day. Now we're seeing big media companies write articles. We're seeing Forbes, The Sun. Lots of big companies are tweeting about it every single day, hour it's going by. Even in Australia, like it's a worldwide phenomenon. This was the second place I came to. I came to Google it. Here's another screenshot. Tons of people are making articles about this. NBC, CNN, Yahoo, it was literally everywhere. And mind you, this is after the first run up. So I took a bunch of profits here, but it still was trading sideways and even went down all the way to $400,000 market cap. Started accumulating heavy right as I posted this with my buddy. Told them what's going on. I said, yeah, I've seen enough. Next leg to all-time highs soon. Within 2 hours of me kind of spotting how viral it is once again and sending it to my buddies in Discord, it wicked from $400,000, $500,000 market cap all the way to 6 million. That's a clean 10 to 12x right there on my money. Now, so far I've shown you pretty much 3 resources. 1, the Pulse tab, where you can cross-reference Twitter Monitor with new tokens that are being deployed, hover over them, see what you like, see if something's popping up that's good. Second, Twitter. As you can see, I posted the early alpha on my Twitter account, but you can also just scroll on your For You page on Twitter and you can spot narratives early. And third is going to be TikTok, where I've shown you you're just going to be scrolling sometimes. Maybe a friend sends you a meme. Maybe you're just scrolling maybe a couple minutes a day just to kind of see what's catching and what's blowing up on the For You page. And from there, you can really spot stuff early. Now, another really useful tool and strategy that I like to use is Google Trends. I haven't seen many people talk about or use this feature. Let's go ahead and search chicken jockey, see what pops up on Google Trends. Now, as you saw from this page over here, you see like countries across the world are posting about it. Like we're seeing Australia, seeing a bunch of American, British companies. Like we're seeing people talk about this all over the world. So we're going to filter it worldwide. We're also going to filter it by the last 30 days just to kind of see if it's catching mind share. And we're going to filter by web search. And once you set these criterias, all categories, so it kind of exploded here from end of March all the way to early April. Today's April 17th, and it still has tons of mindshare. Caught tons of steam and virality between April 2nd and April 7th. Now, how does this correlate to the chart? So as it's catching mindshare, here's April 2nd, here's April 7th. So it's catching mindshare, has a nice run up. The first run up was not as high as I expected. So I took profits here, watched it kind of slowly retrace, and then bought a bunch again here as crypto Twitter and people trading meme coins started to realize how big it was. So the run up occurred on April 8th. And as you can see, if you cross-reference that with Google Trends, April 8th is when it's right around its peak. So when its peak mindshare, 93, 79, 100, like these few days here when it's peak mindshare, the chart has already exploded and you're late to the party. You don't want to be buying here and selling here or selling here. You want to be buying here and selling as it explodes, as other people are slowly catching on. Now that was a good trade, simply catching virality, 200% returns. Didn't play it as good as I wanted to, but can't complain with profit like this. Now let's go over 2 more. This one's gonna be quick. So with the Penguin tariff, I posted it, sent it to some friends early, $150,000 market cap, sent a tweet of me pretty much showing how viral it's catching steam. I'm saying like every few seconds and minutes, people are posting about this and getting kind of tilted that the United States put tariffs on an island that is only inhabited by penguins. You can see how this can make for a very good and viral meme. Correlate me sending the scans early with the thesis to the graph, started accumulating supply here, selling supply here as people start realizing how viral it is. Easy profit, easy opportunity. Didn't even play this one well either. You can't complain about profits like this. Now finally, the morning routine meme. This one was by far the most interesting and one that I really enjoyed trading because I made a lot of profit on this one. This one I spotted it relatively late. Like as you saw earlier, I like to catch stuff very, very early. $100,000, $200,000 market cap, but this one I found it at $520,000. That's not the important part. The important part to know is that people are slow to catching on to trends and viral moments. So if you scroll down before Chicken Jockey, before all these, I even tweeted about this early. Like this was an 8 a.m. tweet, 7:40 a.m. The raid response team, which is White House affiliated and government affiliated, tweeted about the morning routine meme. This was before, obviously, we know the run up, we know the virality. Like, they're tweeting about it here in these early stages, and I'm shilling it to my followers, kind of giving you guys the information early. I'm telling you, the White House is shilling our bags. Things are about to get spooky. It's about to go way higher. Now, this was here. If you match up the chart with the price, early on. Now here's another tweet I just found just from searching again. March 24th, Walmart posted the meme, 5.2 million views. This is only going to continue to the rising of the chart. When an account like this posts it, you're going to see a wake up in the chart. But you want to be accumulating down here. This is a clean, my first scan to all-time highs. We're talking about a 3,600% return. Like, we're talking $500,000 market cap to almost $20 million market cap in literally a few days, not even, maybe a day or two. Now, when we come back to Google Trends, one of my favorite resources, morning routine. This was also a worldwide phenomenon. You can see, let's even do 90 days on this one. People are normally searching morning routine, but when the video of Ashton Hall goes viral doing his morning routine, it exploded from 23 all the way to 100 in 4 days. So you want to be accumulating down here March 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, and then once it explodes, you're going to see that explosion in the chart. And that's when you want to be selling. And this is where you want to be buying. Now, all the information I just shared with you using Google Trends, using Twitter, TikTok, cross-referencing, all comes back to the idea of sitting on Pulse tab, waiting for a moment to pop up, cross-referencing everything, doing as much due diligence as you can, following good accounts like myself who tweet about this kind of stuff early. A story in 3 parts. Here's what I just showed you. Chicken jockey is going to go to all-time highs. Chicken jockey is going to go to all-time highs. It's the most viral meme to have zero emotion on crypto Twitter, but I'm going to hold let's see all the way to the explosion in the chart. Like, I just showed you all this. Accumulate down here, sell up top here. It really does not get much easier than this. I have a bunch of accounts here on the left-hand side on the Twitter tracker, cross-referencing with what pops up. What am I seeing? Maybe I'll find something. As you can see, this is a runoff. Cool that I'm recording this video live. This is a runoff of the Italian brain rot meme. This meme went incredibly viral on TikTok. And if I search Italian brain rot, this one was a very slow cook. Like, people did not catch on to this. Slow cook. Opportunity to accumulate supply down here, all for the viral moment to explode. Let's actually search this on Google Trends just to see if it matches the thesis. And as you can see, as I'm recording this video live, I just saw the Italian brain rot moment pop up here. It's gone now, but as you can see, I saw that, went to the chart of Italian brain rot because obviously I missed this one. But here's the chart. Look at the explosion in the chart. Look at the Google Trend search. Nobody was searching it all of March, but all of a sudden in April, people want to start searching it on TikTok and Google. 30 days, 90 days. The explosion just happened. So this is peak mindshare, and people trading meme coins are late to the mindshare, and it just exploded. This would have been a perfect meme to trade, scalp, get a quick 10x on it easily. Buy at these lows down here. Sell at these highs up here as it's gaining mindshare and move on to the next viral moment. I'm glad I was able to catch that on the Pulse tab, but yeah, it's stuff like that. You will see spin-offs of memes pop up here. There's tons of memes that are popping up. Lots of these are spin-offs, and you can, if you just click on the right one, the moment will pop up for you to click on the right one. You'll see it. You'll see people tweeting about it. You'll know that's the one to start doing research on. Use Google Trends, use Twitter, follow the right accounts. This is the method that I've been using for the last few months to make thousands of SOL profit just from catching viral moments before they explode and take off. There's always going to be a viral moment every few days, weeks, months. Something is going to become more viral and more memeable than the last. So don't sleep on this method. I'm going to leave a link to join Axiom down below in the comments and the description. Do not sleep on Axiom. I showed you my profits on Photon and Bullx. I've made thousands of SOL trading on these terminals, but by far the best is Axiom. Make sure to subscribe to the channel down below and leave a like on this video. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to make tons of videos like this that can show you how to explode your portfolio, 10x it from here. Hope you guys learned something new. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.